Welcome to OnPrintShop. In this video, we will learn about how to create duplicate templates. Let's talk about key features and benefits. It helps you to bulk assign templates of one product to similar products with same sizes. From master template, you can create a new version template with resize option. For products with similar bleed, width and height, we have duplicate product section which will display all the products with the same bleed size as the selected product. Let's have a look into the admin. So first of all, we have to go to the template section. Here we can go to the master templates where we can see all the templates which are into your store. First of all, I'm showing you how we can create a new version from an existing template to a new product. So first of all, click on action button, click on create new version. And here we need to select default store, select the product in which you want to assign the template. So I'm selecting the size and enable the resize template button. So if the template size is smaller or larger than the original product size, then it will resize the template accordingly. You can put the title as per your requirement. And here you can select template category and color template filter, and then choose customizable over here. And this duplicate product section will allow you to copy the template to the product which is having the same size. After that, you have to keep all the setting as it is and click on save and continue. So it will redirect us to the designer studio where we can see the template. So the template is almost aligned as per the size. If required, we can set some alignment over here and then click on save and continue. So here we can see the template is created successfully using create new version. Now let's talk about how we can duplicate templates in bulk. First of all, we have to go to duplicate templates. In this section, we have features like add duplicate templates, remove duplicate templates with resize. So let's talk about how we can duplicate templates. So this is the product in which I'm going to assign templates in bulk. So let's see this product. So on the front, when we go to template section, here we can see none of the template is available. Now we will see the product from which we want to copy the template. So this is the product from which we want to copy the template in bulk. I'm taking this size to copy the templates from. The bleed size is this one, 3.75 by 2.25. We have to make the bleed size similar to this. It would be similar over here. And then we can go to the duplicate section. So here we need to select the store, default store. Select the product from which we want to bulk assign the templates. Suppose business card. And here we are taking the size. So here we can see we have product templates 26 and one PDF block. So here we can check the buttons over here from which we want to assign the templates. And now in the duplicate product section where we can see the product listing of the same size products, and we need to assign to the right hand side to assign product list. So once we assign it to the right hand side and click on save, here we can see the template has been duplicated successfully. So now when we check on the storefront on the product section, here we can see the templates are appearing over here. So in this way, you can duplicate templates in bulk from a existing products to a new product in bulk. So now let's see how we can remove duplicate templates. So now here we will search for the product from which we want to remove the duplicated templates. So I'm taking the same product in which we assign the templates. So here we will see all the templates in this product, and then here we will check all the checkboxes and assign it to the right hand side and just click on save. So once we save it, it will remove the duplicated templates. When we see on the storefront and we refresh the page, we can see all the templates are removed. So in this way, we can remove the duplicate templates from a product. Now let's talk about duplicate templates with resize. In this section, we can see over here, you can duplicate the same templates which are already assigned to a product, but this will move the existing templates to the new product. But we do not recommend this as this is a one-time change. Once you change it, it cannot be reverted back. So let's take suppose an example of master templates. Select the product type, and here we need to select the product from which we need to assign the template to a new size. So here we can see there are 32 templates. So all the 32 templates will get moved to the new size product. So once we save it, it will be moved into the new size. So in this way, you can make changes into your existing product templates. But instead of this, the better way is to create a new version of a template as we have seen into the first option. So thank you for watching this video. In case of any further concern, feel free to connect with us.